Mila, what on earth are you doing there?
What does it look like, Mom? I feed my dog grapes and apples. She needs them.
Dogs don't eat grapes and apples. Are you going to make her a fruitarian?
Friggin'? No, Mom. But the vet has said that she needs vitamin-rich food. Grapes and apples are full of vitamins.
Mila, just because something is good for people doesn't mean that it's good for dogs too. Grapes are poisonous to dogs.
Wait a minute, what? Are grapes poisonous? But they are so delicious and healthy.
Healthy for you, not for dogs. Have you investigated? Before you gave her anything to eat?
Mom, you always tell me to listen to doctors. And the vet is a doctor. He said vitamins are important, so I thought that fruit is a good idea.
Mila, the vet, didn't mean human food. Dogs have their own special diet. That's why dog food exists. For heaven's sake.
Well, then what do dogs eat for dessert? Chocolate? I'll get her some chocolate.
Chocolate? Are you serious? Chocolate is even worse for dogs. It can make them really sick or even worse.
Really? Is chocolate bad too? What should I give her then? That is so confusing.
Feed them real dog food, Mila. Or better yet, ask the vet what she can eat. Don't just make assumptions.
But she's eating for two now, Mom. Doesn't she deserve something special? A treat, for example? Dogs must be bored. Eating the same thing every day.
Dinner for two? Mila, she is a dog. Not a pregnant person. Dogs don't need special snacks like humans do.
Oh, come on, Mom. If I was pregnant, then you wouldn't allow me special things to eat. My dog deserves the same care.
Mila, this isn't about you. It's about keeping your dog healthy. Stop this nonsense now and make me something right for them.
All right, Mom, but I still believe that they care about a few apples or maybe even a piece of cake would have been nice.
Mila, if you even think about it. To give her cake, then.
It's okay. No cake. Take care of her food, Mom. But next time I'll give her a treat.
Pregnant cows require special care during this period. Make sure that they are nutrient-rich. Grass and plenty of water are fed.
What are you watching so concentrated on television?
How to care for a pregnant cow.
What did you just say? Caring for a cow? Since when has your dog been a cow?
Well, it's almost the same thing. Pregnant animals need proper care, right? I'm just learning.
This little child is learning everything now. I bet that you'll be a vet someday.
Who knows, maybe I will.
Remember that proper nutrition and clean. Water makes a big difference to a person's health. May mean pregnant cow.
My dog also needs that kind of care.
Come on, sweetie. Look at that green and lush grass. Eat it. It is full of vitamins. Your puppies will thank you for it later. What is wrong with you? Don't you care about your babies? Do you want that they're weak? Absolutely not. Now eat that grass like a good mom.
Mila, what on earth are you doing there? Is this a new garden technology?
No, Mom. I'm watching their diet. I've seen on TV that pregnant cows eat grass to feed on. My dog is pregnant too, so I'm giving her grass.
Mila, let me explain this in simple terms. Dogs are not cows. They don't eat grass. They are meat lovers, not salad fans.
But Mom, it's all the same. Grass, meat, vitamins. What does that do anyway?
Sure, and next, feed them a bowl. Cornflakes and call that a balanced breakfast.
Not a bad idea. Should I try that tomorrow morning?
Nice, but don't be surprised when your dog moves out one day.
She can't leave me, Mom. She knows I'm the best cook in the house.
I've made up my mind. I will prepare the food for your dog myself. If you're preparing something else, it could run to me.
Don't worry, I'll mix some weed into your food later. You'll love it. That is unbelievable. I can't believe that my dog's alleged husband is such a runaway. I need to stop this nonsense immediately. Dad, get over here right now. I need to tell you something very serious.
What happened, Mila? Why are you so upset?
The dog you brought home is an imposter. He was out there playing and running with another dog. How could he do that to my dog?
Hang on a minute. Are you sure about that? Maybe they're just friends. Dogs can have friends too, you know.
No, Dad. It's not friendship. I know what I've seen. They were far too close together. I can't make my dog suffer like that.
All right, what should I do? Should I summon him for an interview? Or maybe schedule a process?
Dad, it's serious. We can't leave that dog here. He is a bad role model.
Maybe you're right. But what if your dog is okay with it? What if she doesn't mind?
He doesn't mind. Dad, are you kidding me? My dog deserves loyalty. This dog doesn't even know how to be a real husband.
Maybe your dog left him first and he's just trying to get over it.
Dad, stop making up stories. Dogs don't separate. It's not a soap opera.
Well, it's not a soap opera. But you're acting like it's one. Dad, this is serious. Kick him out of the house right now.
Dad, that is serious. Throw him out of the house immediately.
Okay, but what do we tell your dog? She could still have feelings for him, you know.
What? Absolutely not. She deserves someone better. Someone who is loyal. That dog is the last thing.
All right, let's go then. Why don't you talk to your dog about it first? Maybe she has some good advice for you.
I can't believe Dad isn't taking this seriously. I'll probably have to take care of it myself.
Hey, little girl. What are you doing here anyway? It's a bar, not a playground.
I know what kind of place this is. I'm here to buy something. Can you give me some chocolate-flavored drinks?
Chocolate-flavored drinks? Do you even know? What kind of drinks do we sell here? This isn't a candy store.
I don't want candy. I know what I want. Chocolate-flavored alcohol. How adults drink it.
Alcohol. You boy. Do you actually hear yourself talking? They're much too young for that. Where are your parents?
My parents are home and bored as usual. I'm minding my own business. Can you just give me the drinks now or not?
Absolutely not. Is it clear to you? How illegal is that? Go home. Before I call anyone.
If you don't give me what I want, I'm going to make sure everyone knows that this bar is unfair to its customers. You don't want bad publicity, do you?
Bad publicity. Are you threatening me, baby? That is so sweet. But that won't work.
Look, I've got money. A lot of money. I'll pay double or even triple that. Just give me the drink.
Money doesn't change your age, boy. There's no way I'm giving you alcohol. What's next? Do you want cigars too?
Cigars are disgusting. I just want something for my dog.
Your dog. Are you buying alcohol for your dog now? Have you gone crazy?
They wouldn't understand that. My dog man is stressed out. I thought chocolate-flavored alcohol could help her to relax.
Baby, I don't know. What a crazy world you live in. But dogs don't need alcohol. They need a vet.
All right, if you're too afraid to sell me the drink, I'll just go somewhere else. But you're losing a good customer.
All right. Nice. But only this time. Don't come back and ask for more.
That is already better. Thank you. You're the best. My dog is going to love that. You have no idea how happy he will be.
Smaller, if I ever hear that this is causing trouble. Then you are banned from living here for life. Understood?
It's all right. No problems, I promise. By Mr. Chocolate Guy.
Unbelievable. That child is either crazy or a genius. Probably both.
Come on, pal. Drink that. It's good for you. You're so heartbroken about my dog, aren't you? It'll help you forget them. Believe me, it works. Why are you barking? Do you think I don't understand? I know you're upset. But when you drink that, you'll feel better. You don't even have to think about another dog anymore. Okay, listen to me. If you don't drink that, You'll be sad forever. Is that really what you want? Just take a sip. It tastes like chocolate. You'll love it.
Mila, what in the world is going on here? What are you doing there? And what do you have in your hand?
Mommy, don't freak out. I'm just helping that dog. Dad told me it was sad because my dog left me. He's even said that he's trying enter into a relationship with another dog. I can't let that happen, so I thought that I should give him some alcohol so that he forgets everything.
Alcohol? For a dog? Have you gone completely insane? Dogs don't drink alcohol, Mila. Where did you even come up with this ridiculous idea?
Well, I've read somewhere that adults drink alcohol to forget their problems. So I thought, why not for dogs too? I mean, it makes sense, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't make sense. And where do you get the money for this nonsense anyway?
I took it out of Dad's pocket. But don't worry, Mom. I'll give it back someday. Maybe when I grow up.
Borrowed? Mila, do you actually hear yourself talking? First you steal money, and now you try poisoning a dog? Do you have any idea how dangerous that is?
Poison? Mom, it's not poison. It's just chocolate-flavored alcohol. I thought it would help him to relax. You're exaggerating.
Overreacting? Mila, when I see you do something like that again, you'll regret it. And now take all this nonsense and throw it outside right away. Did you understand me?
Okay, Mom. I'm sorry. I didn't want to cause any trouble. I'm going to throw it all away. It won't happen again.
Good, and where on earth do you even come up with such ideas? Dogs don't drink alcohol. They need proper care. Not your crazy experiments.
It's okay. I've got it. No more alcohol for dogs. Lesson learned.
That child is going to drive me crazy someday.
I'm sorry, pal. It looks like as if my plan wasn't working. But don't worry. I'll find another way. Cheer yourself up. Just stay with me, okay? Do you see? I knew you'd understand. No more crazy ideas, I promise. Hey, where do you want to go? Come back. Stay with me. Okay, alright. Let's go home now. You can't just run away like that. Stop. Don't go with her. I'll give you chocolate, lollipops, even ice cream. Just come back. Dad, your dog is awful. I mean, can you believe that?
What, he ran away? Where did he go?
with his girlfriend. Can you imagine that? I've tried everything. I have chocolate for him, lollipops and ice cream promised, but he hasn't even turned around.
So he left you sitting for his girlfriend? That is ridiculous. Which dog behaves like that?
That's right, Dad. I told you that he could never be my dog's husband. He is so irresponsible. What kind of role model is he?
You're absolutely right. He is nothing more than a shameless, characterless dog. It's actually good that he's gone. We don't need a dog like that in this family.
I completely agree. He is not worth it to be part of our family. Let him stay with his new girlfriend forever.
It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. We'll find someone. It's better for your dog, okay?
Better? He must be perfect, Dad. No more shameless dogs in this house.